It's here, guys, and it is live. The Kronos ZK EVM network is officially launched, and there are so many partnerships rolling in. In today's video, I want to talk about Kronos, the Kronos coin, the network, and crypto.com, and what's going on in this space. I know people's patience are running thin, and altcoins are struggling right now compared to Bitcoin, but we are seeing a beautiful bounce for the CRO coin versus BTC pairings. I want to give you guys an update on that. Some price predictions for the CRO token in this video because I do love this coin. I think it's going to perform spectacularly, get back to its previous highs at $1. Right now it's at 8 cents. That's over a 10x from this. I think we can go much higher, possibly to the $2 to $5 range, and I've been saying that on this channel for over the last 2 years. But the fact of the matter is this: we have not seen that parabolic altcoin breakout yet, so we have a lot of work to do. But the news I want to share with you guys today is very good. It is very exciting and very promising for the future of Kronos and the CRO coin token, as well as crypto as a whole. So stick around to the end on this one. Smash your like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and let's dive in. Now, at the time of this recording, Bitcoin's sitting at 59K. We're doing pretty well, and we have a weekly candle close for Bitcoin coming tomorrow, and we're going to take a peek at that in this video and also look at what's going on for CRO coin versus its Bitcoin pairing. But first, let's get into some of the news. So again, Bitcoin's at 59K, and the CRO coin token is holding up very well at rank number 30. It is the 31st largest token in the entire crypto market cap, with $2 billion worth of a market cap. And at one point, it was much, much higher, and likely it is going to go much, much higher in the future because of some of the news that I want to share with you guys in this video. Now, recently we talked about this story, which is obviously huge, and I want to double down on this, guys. There are billions of people, approximately 3 billion people that watch this UEFA league, and crypto.com announced a partnership with them for this soccer league, and it is on their website now, getting hosted as a press release, which is very, very good to see. That's not the main focus of this video, but it is key, and I want to remind you guys, with 2.8 million followers, we're only going to see this number grow because of partnerships like that they're featuring on their banner. Again, 3 billion people watch this. We're not going to get all 3 billion into crypto.com, into crypto even per se, but over time, we are seeing more and more people adopt crypto over time. The amount of holders holding 0.1 Bitcoin or more are growing steadily over time because we see stories of the US government wanting a strategic reserve of Bitcoin, countries adopting it, Russia unbanning it, making it legal, doing Bitcoin miners, variety of countries offering in Dubai now cryptocurrency as payments. And crypto.com is a major exchange, and they're going to be an integral part of the future of crypto. But in this video, I want to focus a little bit more on the biggest thing going on for Kronos right now and for crypto overall, which is more developments for the Kronos chain, which, remember, guys, this chain was only launched in the very peak of the last bull market, November 2021, and we came into a brutal bear market after. And so this bull market is going to be the test for the Kronos network. How successful is it? Well, right now, they did just have a successful launch. Pinned tweet at the top of their page here on August 15th, Kronos ZK EVM, the first layer 2 ZK chain alongside ZK Sync Era, has officially launched the alpha mainnet. This is huge because people are bringing more DeFi apps to the masses, right? Again, if there's going to be more users coming in because of these massive partnerships on crypto.com, they make it so easy to link your crypto.com DeFi wallet to your crypto.com main app wallet, and then you can easily get into the DeFi space and start using the Kronos ecosystem, the Ethereum ecosystem, Solana ecosystem, and a variety of crypto ecosystems. But the key thing here is not only is this launch huge and bringing more people to Ethereum and improving more layer 2 solutions for Ethereum, but it's also helping bring more eyes to Kronos. Look at all these partnerships going on, and I'm just going to scroll through here. So many partnerships, guys. ZFi and Kronos ZKM. Here's the Kronos going on. We've got Gecko Terminal partnering up with them. We've got so many different things. Push.fun partnering up with them. So many different things. WolfSwap's been a very successful DEX aggregator on Kronos as well, and they launched on the ZK EVM network. We are seeing more and more developments in this ecosystem. Now, again, let's set reality and real expectations, right out in front of us here and put it on our plate. Kronos is right now the 18th biggest DeFi protocol in all of crypto. And it was much higher in the past. But we got to remember, this is its first bull market. Right now, with $400 million locked in. If we look at the overall DeFi ecosystem for crypto, note that Ethereum's number one. And so the ZK EVM, Kronos ZK EVM network, layer 2 launch, it's good because we want more people interacting with DeFi overall, interacting with Kronos, interacting with the ZK EVM network. This is all good stuff. But remember this, guys. This is when the Kronos network launched, essentially, okay? When it came down to this. And so let's see what happens. When this total value locked up breaks into new all-time highs, who's taking market share? It's the people and the developers and the communities that are making the most noise. And there is no doubt that crypto.com is making a lot of noise and doing a lot of beautiful upgrades. Now, if Bitcoin, which already took a new high earlier this year, back at 74K, and it hit it pre-halving, right? Takes a new high now that we're post-halving, which we've historically seen in every single bull market, we're going to see a parabolic move for the altcoin market. And again, at a $2.4 billion market cap for Kronos, we got a lot of upside for this token. Now, CRO has been struggling versus Bitcoin. The fact of the matter is this: if you bought Bitcoin since November 21 to today instead of CRO, you would have made more money just by holding Bitcoin instead of CRO. That is a fact. But altcoin traders know that altcoin pairs do hurt against Bitcoin until they don't. And we are now at a critical point for CRO versus Bitcoin, and we're seeing a beautiful bounce off the all-time low of the CRO versus Bitcoin valuation. And this is the bounce we need to see. And from here, guys, I do expect there could be a big move back up to at least this trend line, 388% move from here, or to what I really think could happen, a 1,000% move versus Bitcoin. And again, if Bitcoin 4X from here, that is a 40X for CRO versus, it's a 40X for CRO, but that is a 10X for CRO versus Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin does a 4X, CRO does a 10X over Bitcoin. That's what we're looking for, guys. I hope I didn't just mess up my axes there, but you know what I'm saying, guys. CRO versus Bitcoin should have a big move, as we always see with altcoins, because the fact of the matter is this: a $2 billion market cap coin like CRO is way, way easier to do multiple X's on its valuation compared to a 1.2 or $1.1 trillion asset like Bitcoin. But remember, guys, we are going to see likely trillions of dollars flow into the space. At one point, the overall market cap was $3 trillion. I think we can go up to 10 trillion. Maybe we go to 5 or 6 trillion, somewhere between 5 and 10 trillion. It's trillions of dollars flowing in. Altcoins that have $2 billion market caps, $5 billion market caps, $1 billion market caps, if they have strong communities, strong development, which Kronos has. I showed you the partnerships. I showed you the new chain that launched. I showed you everything that's going on in this thing. We've been talking about it for the last 2.5 years. If all that happens, guys, these low cap markets that are strong and successful, these coins like Kronos and other ones that we talk about on this channel, are going to have a parabolic move versus their Bitcoin pairings. Right now, seeing this CRO bounce versus Bitcoin shows me that we could be at a bottom. And I think historically, this is probably the best discount you're going to have on CRO versus Bitcoin. And really looking at its price valuation versus the dollar, at one point, guys, we were up to $1. I do think that dollar price target is so easy for CRO, and I do think we could see a $2 to $5 CRO just looking at that Bitcoin versus CRO pairing valuation, knowing what altcoins do historically in these crypto markets. Fact of the matter is this: September could be bearish. It could be. But we usually see bullish Octobers. We usually see bullish Novembers and Decembers as well. 2025 is likely when we're going to get the bulk of our bull market, possibly even in the winter of this 2024 segment of our bull market. We have been trading to the side for a very long time on Bitcoins. And, patience is a virtue. Fortune favors the brave, as the tagline of crypto.com says. And you know what? I do think that's true. Bitcoin, when we do break to new highs, guys, is likely going to be a catalyst for this total market cap to break out, giving us a boost up for CRO to $1, possibly to $2 to $5. And I'm not budging on that. Now, I am bullish, guys. I am waiting. I am patient. In the meantime, touch some grass, guys. DCA, HODL. That's all I have for you in this one. The Kronos EKM network is live. Lots of partnerships. Let's see how many more people partner up with this. And let's see how many more users we can get in DeFi and what Kronos does in this bull market as DeFi continues to get more and more popular, which inevitably it will continue to do over time. Think about all the governments getting into crypto. Think about the countries getting into crypto. Think about the institutions getting in and the VC capital coming into this space. It's epic. It's coming. I'm ready. Are you guys? Let me know how many CRO coins do you guys have? What is your prediction for the CRO coin token in this bull market? Are you guys ready? That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA, HODL. Do your own research, my friends. And as always, I got 2 videos for you right here. I will see you next time, y'all. Peace. Have a great weekend, y'all.